Dear students, today we are going to learn about playing with numbers. Numbers, we know that we are so much familiar with numbers. In our day-to-day life, we are going to use so many numbers. For example, for counting purpose, for calculating purpose, for in everywhere we are going to use what? Numbers. In the previous classes, we have learned about numbers, how to write the numbers in words, how to write the numbers in standard form, how to write the numbers in general form, how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Everything we learnt. Now we are going to learn about some concepts. So those concepts are numbers in general form, some games and puzzles involving digits. Next one is alphanumerals and puzzles, divisibility and remainder, divisibility test and magic square. We are going to learn in this section about numbers in general form, some games and puzzles involving digits, alphanumerals and puzzles, divisibility and remainder, divisibility test and about magic square. Today we are going to learn about numbers in general form. Here first concept is there. Is it a numbers in general form? We are going to learn about numbers in general form. How you are going to write the numbers in general form? For example, if I take one example here, 354. We know the place value of this number. The number 4 is which place? The number 4 is in ones place. The number 5 is in tens place. The number 3 is in hundred place. According to those place values, we are going to write in expanded form. For example, first number, we know that 3 is in which place? 3 is in 100 place. So we have to write 3 into 100. It indicates what? 3 is in 100 place. Next 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. 5 is in tens place. So we are going to write 5 into 10. 5 into 10. It indicates what? 5 is in tens place. Next further 4 is in which place? 4 is in ones place. So we are going to write 4 into 1. Further we are going to multiply with that numbers. 3 into 100. So how much 3 into 100? 3 into 100 is 300 plus as it is. Next 5 into 10. 5 into 10 is how much? 5 tens are 50. Next 4 into 1 is 4 ones are 4. Therefore 300 plus 50 plus 4 is the general form of 354. This one we are going to call standard form and as well as expanded form. We are going to call what? Expanded form. Next further one more example I will take, that is what? 6589. 6589. Here you can observe here 9 is in which place? 9 is in ones place. 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. 5 is in 100 place. 6 is in 1000 place. According to those place values we have to expand the numbers. First 6. 6 is in which place? 6 is in 1000 place. 6 is in 1000 place. So we have to write 6 into 1000 plus 5 is in which place? 5 is in 100 place. So we have to write 5 into 100. Next plus 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. So we have to write 8 into 10. Next 9 is in which place? 9 is in ones place. So we have to write 9 into 1. Now you can see here again we have to do what? We have to multiply the numbers. 6 into 1000 is nothing but a 6000 plus 5 into 100 is how much? 5 is 100 is equals to 500 plus 8 into 10 80 plus 9 ones are 9. So 6000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 9 is the general form of what? 6589. Next one more example I will consider. For example, if we take any variables, we know that we learnt about variables. Instead of numbers, I taken here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Here D is in ones place, C is in tens place, D is in 100 place and A is in 1000 place. How you are going to write this one in the general form? In the same manner. A is in 1000 place, so we have to write A into 1000 plus B is in which place? B is in 100 place, so we have to write B into 100. Next C is in which place? C is in tens place, so you have to write C into 10 plus D is in ones place, so you have to write D into 1. So this is the general form of what? A, B, C, D. See, few example I given here. If you understood these three problems, you have to try these problems. First one is 93,469. Second one is 10,864. These two problems you have to solve. Next we will go through what? Numbers in the decimal form. You have to write the numbers in the decimal form. For that, few example I taken here. In the first one is 9 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. How you are going to write this one? 9 into 1000. Into meaning you know. You have to multiply that number. So you have to multiply 9 into 1000. It becomes what? 9,000. It becomes what? 9,000 plus 3 into 100 is nothing but 300 plus 2 into 10 20 plus 7. Next further we have to add these numbers. We have to add these numbers. First one is 9,000. Second one is 300. Third one is 20. Next one is 7. We have to add this number. How much you are going to get? 0 plus 7 is nothing but 7, 2, 3, 9. So it becomes what? 9,327. 9,327. This 9,327 we are going to call decimal form, as well as we are going to call it is standard form also. Next, second question. Second question is 1 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Here also same, we have to multiply. 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. How much? 50,000 plus 8 into 100 is how much? 800. How much? 800 plus 3 into 10 is how much? 30. Next, 2 into 1 is 2. Again, we are going to add this number. First one is how much? 50,000. How much? 50,000. Next is how much? 800. We have to write this 800 in the proper way. See, place one you have to see and we have to write. Next one is what? 30. Next one is how much? 2. Now we have to add this number. 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2, 3, 8. Here observe here carefully. One more 0 is there. Next 5. It is becomes what? 50,832. I hope you understood these two problems. Here also some example problems I given for you. You have to solve these problems and you have to send it through WhatsApp. With this video, I will post exercise 1.1 that both the main problems you have to solve and you have to send. If you have any doubt, you can ask through messages, children. Thank you, children.